Hello. Book 5. Book 5, Verbal 5. What we're going to have a look at is, I assume you've read the question, we're just going to do ourselves a little tick chart. I think that's probably the best way to do it. So we've got Bodie, Apty, William, Cassie, Tylo, and that's it. And now we're going to have to decide who's wearing the least number of outdoor clothes. So Bodie is wearing a green scarf. It was my silk green scarf because it was jolly cold. This happened on a really cold mock exam in January, and so we had to sort of dive around all the bits of clothing we could to get the children warm. Apty and William have green scarves. They've got green scarves, and Apty is wearing a blue coat. Cassie's coat, I keep losing that out. Cassie's coat has 5 buttons, and William's coat has 4 buttons. Tylo has a coat with a zip. Bodie's hat is red, and Cassie has blue mittens. So who has the least number of outdoor clothing? It's not like it was the only clothes they were wearing. It's Tylo.